What is the provision relating to determination of place of supply of goods imported or exported from into or exported from India? So goods imported, good exported are Section 11. And place and supply of goods imported into or exported from India is governed by the provision Section 11 of IGST Act 2017. It is also known as a cross-border supply of goods. The relevant provision as under place of supply of goods imported in India, Section 11A of IGST Act. The player supply shall be location of the importer. In the case study, it's a registered dealer in Delhi import some goods from China. The goods are imported through sea route at Mumbai port. The place of business is Delhi, not Mumbai, because of a registered person. Player supply of goods exported from India. Player supply shall be location outside India where it has been delivered. Section 11B of IGST Act.